magic mirror on the wall.
Oh, for the days when that was all. What dost thou know about my queen? Think she be the only villain I have seen? Think again. Which is why I have summoned you. Oh, for the days when only one villain summoned me. A queen with a question. You know how it goes. Magic mirror on the wall. Your turn.
Who's the fairest one of all?
Well done. But define fair. Beautiful? Once upon a time it was. But these days, villains are preoccupied with who's been treated the most unfairly of all.
Each evil villain here would like to suggest that they're not bad apples. They just get bad press. So they whine and they ask if they're victims of a grudge. I just reflect. I can't judge. To make matters worse, when they find a looking glass and recite that question they continually ask, the evil queen strikes with a terrifying crash and smashes into it. It's up to you to tell them what you see. Please make a choice so they'll stop asking me.
Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all.
But I can't judge, I just reflect.
So what you see is what you get.
You see, I've been enchanted to answer only to the queen. Still, they're relentless, so I need you to intervene. Help me appease them. They torment me all night and day. You be the judge.
I beg you, make them go. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all.
I can't judge, I just reflect.
So what you see is what you get.
Darling.
See how it worsens?
Behold, a cunning collector of unique fashion, for whom puppies stirred a curious passion.
You see, tragically misunderstood.
Ruthless,
Driven,
devious,
fleeting.
and dressed to kill.
It's a curse to be so famously misunderstood. Everyone thinks they know you. And everything! You see, when some of you do understand, that is hat darling, yes!
Their lips, eyes in despair. All innocent children had better beware. She's got the spider waiting for the kill. Look out for Cruella de Vil.
Is it my fault? I'm a player for fashion. But then the puppies, that's my passion. My daughters are always so misunderstood, darlings. It's enough to make one see sports.
Just the color in the devil. You come to realize,
Yes.
you've seen her kind of eyes.
Yes!
Watching you from underneath the wall.
But true.
Cruella de Vil. Cruella de Vil. She doesn't scare you. No evil thing will.
Get your camera
She
straight.
used to take us a trip.
Scream like you love me.
Cruella de Vil.
The next misunderstood.
What did I tell you? Incorrigible. And yet somehow, she made it through the glass.
Hey, pal, I know you're in there.
Oh no! I have told you I only answer to the Queen. But do they listen? No. They put on a show. Oh no, oh no, oh no! Another scoundrel, undoubtedly with a load of crock to sell you.
So far the life of a king,
Really?
the life of a crook. There isn't a one who won't have fun or of a Captain Hook. The world's most famous crook! I finally made it through the glass! Oh, well, hello. Captain Hook at your service. No applause. That brat Peter Pan gets all the attention. Even Smee likes him better than me. Do you? Dare you boo me too? Well, that's just because I'm so horribly misunderstood. Do you not realize what a benevolent captain, like myself, can offer you? Freedom, wealth, glory, and above all, never growing up. Fancy that. Answering to, well, let me see. No one. Sing. Yo-ho. So try the life of a thief. To sample the life of a crook. There isn't a one who won't have fun. No one for Captain Hook. The world's most famous crook. Oh, a dance parade. Yes. Enough of that. Look here, a special offer for today. I'll tell you what I'll do. All those who sign without delay will get a free tattoo. Why, it's like money in the bank. Come on, join up, and I'll be frank. Unless you do, you'll walk the plank. The choice is up to you. The choice is up to you. Oh, you like that? Hello! Oh no! Oh, magic mirror on the wall. Who's the most misunderstood? By me, that's all. You'll love the life of a thief. You'll relish the life of a crook. There's sparrows of fun for everyone. You'll get murdered by the sun. Yes! Oh, surprising sign in the book. Join up with Captain Hook.
I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so. They are relentless. Villains will do anything to push their way to the front. What now? Oh yes, the fairy godmother no one wants. Maleficent.
The knave in the mirror away, have I? Why, there's no need to be frightened of me. Isn't that right, my pet? I'm merely here to propose that I am the most misunderstood of all. Haven't you ever been forgotten, left off the list, omitted from a grand affair that the entire kingdom was attending, except you? It's soul crushing. I've been woefully misinterpreted. You'll love me at once. kiss of true love. I suppose you could say the happy ever after of Princess Aurora was my doing. Does anyone ever think of it like that? Tragically misunderstood. Magic mirror on the wall. Misunderstood. Is that your call?
No, that would be them.
How perfect. They've seen the light. It's never wrong to make things right. You loved me at once. Believed it was.
Villains do love a dramatic exit.
It's my turn. Hold it right there, Mr. Floaty Face. Why don't I get VIP access, huh? Hello! She is the only one who's feeling a little heated by being misunderstood, okay?
And yet another wounded foe.
Whoa! You see the severity of my situation, can't you? How I've been misunderstood by the god!
That is significant and awkward, flamboyant.
Hey, who's so dark and ugly, yeah?
Two at a time?
I'm a man to let me in or out. Which is it?
Okay, kindly let him know I was here first,
This
okay?
new hovering apparition. I've been dreadfully misunderstood. I should have been Sultan!
Oh, wow. You need a little cheese to go with that wine?
Silence!
Okay, I'm cool. I'm calm. I'm cool. Hey, whoever's knocking, get in line. I was here first.
I dare to challenge all that I had to endure.
Dismissed, rejected,
And,
publicly humiliated.
what's that?
But all those black cats in their fancy cars don't give you so much as a sideways glance.
Oh no, more than five.
Tell me about it.
Oh, can you believe this guy? Oh,
I was the Grand Vizier!
he's got something. Oh, good guy.
Oh, that it has come to this.
Whoa, time out. I don't know.
You misunderstand me most of all. The name in the mirror is mine, and mine alone.
No! Shattered. Again. Too many. Must end. Oh, you. Yes, you. I beseech thee. Answer them. Choose the most misunderstood. But how? Many spoke, but few were seen, though villains in the mirrors gleamed. But these three passed through the glass. Yes! Choose from them! That is your task! This is your moment. You are the judge. Clap, stomp, and scream. Show who you love. And when you do, the smoke will rise as you choose the most villainized. Do you cheer for the spider waiting for the kill?
I'm in original times, not a criminal.
Cruella de Vil.
You can't do better. Scream! Yes!
Or shout for the world's most famous crook.
If you love me, you'll scream for me.
Captain Hook.
You can do better than that. Scream louder.
Or scream with a deviant of evil.
My curse produced true love.
Maleficent, the mistress of all evil.
Done like glittering assemblage.
The smoke in the mirror never lies. You have revealed the most villainized. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all? Maleficent!
Victory! A most gratifying day. Embrace your inner villain with me! We are all misunderstood. You love me once, the way you did once. I am cunning, my dear, and misunderstood. You've made your choice, now don't forget. Here's what you get.
They chose. Now off you go.
Did I say I'd leave?
Well, but aren't you done with all your questioning?
I never promised anything.
Why must I endure riffraff?
That villain always gets the last laugh. You made your choice, now don't forget. What you see is what you get.
Oh no.
You did your bidding rather well, and for it have a tale to tell. Now gather your belongings